East West Printing, one-stop solution for all your printing services, branding, and promoting your business. Number 65, Kirbo Road, Singapore.
Early historic Tamil country was a land of seafarers. Tamil traders, monks, and empires continued to be the dominating influence in Southeast Asia until about the 15th century, and Tamils often ruled the earliest states in these regions. Interactions between Tamils and Southeast Asian regions have been facilitated by trade activity throughout history. Malaysia, one of the Southeast Asian countries, has a history spanning around thousands of years. 40,000 years ago, modern humans inhabited this region. As early as the 5th century, a large settlement of Malay natives of Kedah had been established around the northern bank of the Merbok River. According to the Kedah Annals, a legendary king formed the Kingdom of Kedah, named Langakasuka. The Kedah region in the Malay Peninsula played a significant role in the trade with China, India, and the Middle East. Ancient Sanskrit Puranas describes these mountainous provinces in the Eastern Sea as Malaya Dvipa. Ptolemy, in his book Geographia, referred to Malayas as Malayu Kolon. In Chinese accounts, Kedah region Malayas were highlighted for their navigational skills and trading abilities. In the beginning of the Common Era, ships of sailors and traders from Tamil country began reaching the region of Kedah. The coasts of Chola Mandalam and Chera country acted as intermediaries to obtain commodities from Southeast Asia and exported them to the Mediterranean countries. The Sangam literature elicits the daring maritime voyages, the merchandise that was traded, and the expertise of the ancient Tamil seafarers, and it also documents the marine technology of the Tamils. Timil, a type of boat devoid of a mast, is used mainly for fishing and pearl fishing both day and night. The term Navai is used for a vessel with many sails and masts, and it always moved from one port city to another. Parathavars are the traditional sea tribes of ancient Tamilagam known variously as Valayon, Timilan, and Minavan. Coastal region Parathavars enjoyed the occupation of fishing, seafaring, and pearl diving. Tamil classic literature details the trading system, salt production, and shipbuilding engineering. The Ghats of South India had thick forests of teak. Nearly 42 varieties of wood were used for building ships. In post-Sangam literary works, technicians of ships are referred to by the name Kammiar. Over 1,000 islands in the Indo-Pacific Ocean were mentioned in Tamil classic literature. Pattinapala refers to the territory of the Malay Peninsula as Kalagam and describes the import of foreign merchandise from Kedah. The oldest inscription in the Tamil script, dating to the 4th century, was found in Bujang Valley. Bujang Valley in the Kedah region of Malaysia is one of the earliest archaeologically documented crossroads for trade goods and religious ideas in Southeast Asia. The valley played host to traders from China, Khmer, and Tamil country. Among the finds in Bujang Valley were fragments of a stone bar bearing the text Dharma, written in 4th century Tamil script. Most of the ancient Malay beads discovered in Bujang Valley were similar to the beads of South Indian megalithic sites. During the Pallava era, overseas trade of Tamil merchants flourished with the Malay Peninsula. From at least 200 BCE, Tamil merchants sailed as far east as the Straits of Malacca and traded and made settlements along with the people of the Malaysia.